So I've got something interesting to show you all. So the other day I went over to one of the DJI affiliate stores at Technomart in Seoul, South Korea, and I found a couple of cool little additions to add as accessories to the DJI Pocket 3 and the Action 4. So if you take a look, I'm going to show you all. Look at this. There you go. So as you can see, you got a magnet, which is really cool. So you literally just screw it in at the bottom of the quarter inch little hole there, and you got yourself your own little stand. It is so convenient. And another cool thing I got is, okay, these are both by Sunnylife. Basically, this is a thing by Sunnylife, or yeah, Sunnylife, and also this little magnetic stand is also by Sunnylife, and I got it the other day, and this is actually really, really cool. So basically, you know, you've got this magnet thing, which you can do a lot of things with. If you're out and about, you don't have to really worry. Let me show. If you're out and about, you don't have to really worry about necessarily bringing a tripod stand, because this thing will, I mean, this thing will magnetic anywhere. I mean, take a look. I mean, this thing is really sturdy, and it'll put a magnet on pretty much anything you need. That's, you know, obviously something that's the magnet is gonna stick on, but that's a really cool thing. Another thing with this particular attachment is, a lot of times when I was going out and about, I would have to bring the GoPro Day Tripper backpack, or I would have to bring the chest strap, and that was really cumbersome. As you can see, I've got my little North Face Merce, I'll call it, but look at this thing. It basically, it twists and turns. It's like a 180 degree or whatever you call it. And then it'll add right here. You can clip it on like this, and then you can just take this, and let me double click, there we go. And you can basically, so I just put in the attachment. So I've got the attachment on, and I'll double click it so it's facing there, and take a look. I mean, look at that. That is so cool. So you can just attach it to your body here. I already have the gimbal set up, so if you take a look here, I'll just set this right here, and then I still have it on my chest. I'm gonna just jump on the scooter, and then you can just really easily, you can kind of adjust it there. Then you can just get on your scooter, and you've got yourself a nice, like, really easy clip-on thing for your Pocket 3. You don't have to worry at all about the convenience of not having to carry a backpack. Yeah, there you have it. You can just attach it so quickly and easily onto your body and just go about real quick and not have to worry about having all those extra things attached to your body, which is really, really convenient. I love it. Now, I did kind of like talk not necessarily bad about Sunnylife, but their adapter was not as sturdy as this, but I gotta hand it to Sunnylife. This, this 1/4 inch magnetic mount, along with the, oh, let me show you this too. This is cool. Look at that. This is a magnet too. That is crazy, right? This is a magnet, and wow, I mean, that is super, super convenient. I gotta give it to Sunnylife, man. I didn't talk the best about your adapter for the GoPro mount, but man, this magnetic swivel mount for clip-on, as well as the mount on the bottom, and it's really nice because, I mean, take a look at this. I mean, I'll show you how convenient this is, right? It's really simple to just set it down, and then you've got a nice sturdy, no, not super sturdy, but still it's sturdy enough to where you can set it down like at a table if you're wanting to do like some type of foodie thing. I mean, I find it really, really convenient. Both of these little contraptions that I got at the DJI affiliate store was like, I really scored. And they were pretty, you know, pretty affordable, pretty inexpensive. So I was really, really happy about it. And I just wanted to share with you all because it's just something that is just so convenient. I mean, before I would be running around doing this. So this should, boom. Look at that. That is so convenient. And I mean, you can put this on the action. You know, the same thing you can do with the Pocket. I mean, it makes it so convenient. I mean, that is clutch. That's a magnet as well. And it's a pretty strong magnet. So yeah, I have to say it's pretty score, man. Pretty score. I'm really happy with it. This is just something I wanted to share with you all. I'll try to find the links to the Sunnylife products and put them down below, but they're not too expensive and they're really quite affordable. And yeah, I'm really pleased with it. So yeah, I just was kind of excited to share it with you all because I just picked them up yesterday and now I finally got to go out and do a little field test with it. And I can certainly say that I think they passed the test. I certainly think they passed the test. Really, really cool. Oh, I forgot to show you all. Check it out. I've got my two DJI Mic 2s hooked up, one to the Action 4 and one to the Pocket 3. And so I've got my two pendants over my neck, and I think it kind of works pretty good. So yeah, this is the Sunnylife magnetic, you know, like stand that I was using, and then this is just the little Sunnylife swivel. You can swivel it and angle it however you like. But what I'll probably do is just end this video with me on the on my Segway 9-bot scooter. Yeah, this was really fun just to highlight these two little new additions to the arsenal of DJI products. It's not technically DJI, but it is one of their third-party providers. I'm over here at a bakery, but I wanted to share with you all an interesting situation that transpired after this firmware update. When I'm scootering, I'm going to have it in the adapter, and I will keep it in this mode, and then I'll press the record button. Okay, so I scootered from that little park over to the bakery, so it was recording, and I basically got off my scooter, and out of habit, because this is before the firmware update, I pressed the record button and I held it in to turn off the Pocket 3. But I totally forgot that the new firmware update, if you hold in the record button, it will just delete that video. And before I realized it, I had deleted my video that I did not intend to delete because I did it out of habit. Has that happened to you all? I don't know if I'm able to recover this. When I post this video, I'll have figured that out. But yeah, that's a little just like warning to you all. If you're used to pressing that record button to turn off your Pocket 3, be careful because like for myself, I just totally deleted a pretty long video without wanting to do that. So yeah, if that's happened to you, let me know. Anyways, that's gonna end it here. I hope you all are enjoying your week. Please stay safe. God bless. Peace.